As part of the Torino City Love Initiative, at S.p.A and the local police started a collaboration to help in fighting the COVID pandemic. This collaboration is about using drones to patrol and monitor the city parks. This activity has been developed in collaboration with the Digital Investigation Department of the local police of Turin, and in particular with the collaboration of the Chief Commissioner Gianfranco Tedesco. My name is Enrico Busto, and I am the founder and Chief Technical Director in S.p.A. Our mission is to provide the most advanced artificial intelligence solution for automotive manufacturing, monitoring, and security application. For more information, you can contact me on LinkedIn or by email with the reference you find below. Artificial intelligence analyzing real-time the video streams coming from the drone, performs the analysis and the detection, and saves the data in the database. The data are used immediately to treat the action of the local police, and at the same time are stored to be used by the city council and the public administration at any level to make informed decisions on how to manage the city. The starting point is the mission planning. In this case, we use DJI drones, and we plan the mission with the DJI dedicated software that is called Flight Hub Enterprise. The Flight Hub Enterprise allows the user to stream images and video together with the telemetry data to an external application, and this is exactly what we need to integrate the artificial intelligence systems. Once the mission has been planned, we are ready to fly. ENAC, the Italian Civil Aviation Authority, granted special permit for this activity, allowing drones to fly over the city parks. Over 140 flying missions have been accomplished over the past few weeks, for a total of 48 actual flying hours, mainly on 3 city parks, Colletta, Carrara, and Valentino. Here, we show you the images taken while flying on the Valentino Park, maybe one of the most beautiful in Turin, located around the river Po banks. A total of 1.7 million square meters of park area have been monitored. Artificial intelligence. We use artificial intelligence to analyze the video streams coming from the drones and detect people, vehicles, and any other object when requested. The detection are corrected in perspective, and the position on the ground is calculated. Since the drones are using 4K cameras, we can detect people even from distance and from high altitude. This is particularly important in the COVID phase 2, since the people are allowed to go to the city park for outdoor activities, but the recommended social distancing should be maintained at any time. Those artificial intelligence algorithms calculate the interpersonal distance between people in real time and raise warnings in case the safety measures are violated. The dashboard. All the data are available in real time and can be stored in database to help in making decisions at commission level. But since the data are available in real time, it can be used to trigger immediate police response. Like in this case, where 2 cyclists were caught in a city park during the lockdown. 3D mapping. Furthermore, the data collected can be used for alternative purposes, however, great importance for the municipality. For example, drone video streams can be used to create high-definition 3D maps of the area overflown, like in this case. This concludes our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention, and don't forget to contact us if you need more information.